In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add YouTube video to sources in Google notebooklm. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a YouTube video into your notebook so you can reference it alongside your other materials and make the most of notebooklm's summarization and citation features. First, open your web browser and go to the notebooklm website. If you're taken to the homepage, select the notebook you want to work in so you're inside the space where you plan to add the video. If you're prompted to sign in, use your Google account and then return to the notebook. It's helpful to have your YouTube link ready to paste, so grab the URL from your browser's address bar or the share button on YouTube before you continue. Inside your notebook, look for the option to add content to your sources. You'll see a control labeled Add Source near the Sources panel. Click it to open the menu of ways you can bring new material into the notebook. Think of this as telling notebooklm what references you want it to use when answering questions or generating summaries. From the Add options, choose Websites. Even though you're adding a YouTube video, the link is still a web address, so this is the correct place to put it. This lets notebooklm visit the page, analyze the content it can access, and attach it to your notebook as a source you can cite. You'll now see a field that prompts you to paste the YouTube link. Click into that field and paste the full URL. A standard watch link works great, and share links are fine too. If your link includes a timestamp, notebooklm will still pull the full video page. The time code just indicates a starting point on YouTube. For best results, make sure the video is public or unlisted and available in your region, and avoid playlist or channel pages. Use the direct link to the specific video you want. Once the link is in place, click Insert to confirm. notebooklm will begin fetching the page and converting it into a usable source. You'll see it appear in your sources list, typically with the video title and thumbnail. If it takes a moment, that's normal. Larger or longer videos may require extra time to process. After it's added, you can open the source to confirm it looks correct, and then start asking notebooklm questions that cite this video alongside your other materials. That's it. Go to notebooklm, click Add Source. Choose Websites, paste your YouTube link and click Insert. You've successfully added a YouTube video to your sources in Google notebooklm.